Let's start Cinnamoroll with the eyes. Super simple, follow along. There are 3 key alignments here. First one, line up the mouth with the bottom of the open eye. Line up where the ears meet with the eyes. And look at that, he's already starting to look like himself. Whenever you get the outline, use it as a chance to make small tweaks. The body stays simple, just curved lines, like a little clown. Third alignment, match the body width to the head width. Don't go wider than that. And some shading with a bit of color. And there he is.